The Corsair K55 RGB PRO is a feature-rich gaming keyboard designed for players who want performance, durability, and customization without the premium price tag of high-end mechanical boards. As a membrane-based keyboard, it strikes a balance between comfort, quiet operation, and gaming functionality, making it an excellent choice for casual gamers, streamers, and multi-platform users. Design and build quality. The K55 RGB PRO sports a sleek black design with a durable plastic frame. What makes it stand out from many competitors in this price range is its IP42 dust and spill resistance, offering peace of mind during intense gaming sessions or long workdays. Accidental spills won't ruin your keyboard, and the dust protection extends its longevity. The build feels sturdy, and while it's not as solid as an aluminum mechanical board, it provides reliability and durability. Typing and gaming experience. Since it's a membrane keyboard, the K55 RGB PRO offers a softer, quieter key press compared to the loud clicky feedback of mechanical switches. The keys are responsive enough for gaming while remaining comfortable for extended typing sessions. The inclusion of a detachable rubber palm rest is a thoughtful touch, soft, textured, and ergonomic. It helps reduce fatigue during long gaming marathons or work sessions. RGB lighting and customization. Corsair equips this model with dynamic RGB backlighting across 5 distinct lighting zones. Out of the box, you can cycle through 6 onboard effects, but with Corsair iCUE software, customization becomes more powerful. Users can assign colors per zone, create lighting profiles, or sync effects with other Corsair peripherals. While it doesn't offer per-key RGB customization like more expensive models, the lighting is still vibrant and customizable enough to elevate your setup. Macro keys and streaming integration. One of the standout features is the inclusion of 6 dedicated macro keys, which can be programmed for complex commands, shortcuts, or in-game functions. Streamers will especially appreciate the Elgato Stream Deck integration, which allows the macro keys to trigger instant streaming commands, an invaluable tool for managing live content seamlessly. This makes the K55 RGB PRO particularly appealing for content creators who want more control without purchasing additional hardware. Convenience features. The dedicated media and volume keys provide quick control for music, videos, or in-game audio without tabbing out. These dedicated keys enhance the user experience, especially for multitaskers who want one-touch control. The USB-A wired connection ensures low-latency performance with no risk of wireless interference or battery management. Final verdict. The Corsair K55 RGB PRO is an excellent budget to mid-range gaming keyboard that delivers impressive functionality for its price. It combines RGB customization, spill and dust resistance, dedicated macros, and Elgato integration into a stylish and comfortable POC.